Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to use Novo Instant Transfer. I know that a lot of people are interested in using Novo Instant Transfer, but they're not sure how long it takes to get their money. So, I decided to do some research and find out for myself. In this video, I'm going to share my findings with you. I'll also talk about the pros and cons of using Novo Instant Transfer. So, how long does it take to use Novo Instant Transfer? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, such as the type of account you have, the time of day you make the transfer, the amount of money you're transferring. In general, it takes about 1 to 2 business days for Novo Instant Transfer to process. However, there are a few instances where it may take longer. For example, if you're transferring a large amount of money, it may take longer for Novo to process the transaction. This is because Novo has to verify the transaction to make sure that it's not fraudulent. Additionally, if you make a transfer on a weekend or holiday, it may take longer for Novo to process the transaction. This is because Novo's offices are closed on weekends and holidays. Pros and cons of Novo Instant Transfer. Now that you know how long it takes to use Novo Instant Transfer, let's talk about the pros and cons of using this service. Pros. Fast. Novo Instant Transfer is one of the fastest ways to transfer money. Free. Novo Instant Transfer is free to use. Easy to use. Novo Instant Transfer is easy to set up and use. Secure. Novo Instant Transfer is a secure way to transfer money. Cons. Limited availability. Novo Instant Transfer is only available to customers in the United States. Not available for all accounts. Novo Instant Transfer is not available for all types of accounts. Fees may apply. In some cases, fees may apply to use Novo Instant Transfer. Overall, I think that Novo Instant Transfer is a great option for people who need to transfer money quickly and securely. However, it's important to note that Novo Instant Transfer is not available to everyone. If you're considering using Novo Instant Transfer, I recommend that you check to see if it's available in your area and for your type of account. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.